Hey, this is Dennis. Today we're reviewing Qidi Technology X-One 3D printer. It used to be one of the premium gadgets on the market with a price that maybe a company or institution could afford. Now you can buy one that is not only affordable, also has good performance. X-One 3D printer is one of them, just under $500. X-One is equipped with nice components inside. First, it uses FDM printing tech that can make the filament you use become easier to shape the objects that you want. This 3D printer is also able to create printing results with layer resolution of 100 to 500 microns. That's quite detailed. With a positioning of the printer nozzle, 11 microns on the X and Y and 2.5 microns on the X. This printer uses a nozzle with 0.4 millimeter diameter, which makes it easier to print small objects. The filament diameter of this use is 1.5 millimeters, which supports its high detail printing process. For more 3D printing reviews from Dennis, please subscribe to this channel or sign up for our newsletter. Links are in the description box below. Once again, thanks for joining us and have a great day.